So if you have already made a preset that is an export preset, then you can easily export it using the preset that you've made. So to do that, I'm simply going to go around over here and select out the pictures. So I'm just going to hold Shift and select all the pictures that I want to export. Then what I want to do is I'm going to go around over here onto the file menu. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto export with preset right here. And over here, you can see that there's different presets that I can select. So here's a preset that I made, user preset. So all you need to do is click and the exporting simply begins, as you can see right here. So now in the export settings, I actually told it to import it back right there onto Lightroom, and that is why you can see it back being imported onto Lightroom as well. And then over here you can see the exported image in PNG format right here, just like this in said resolution. So if I were to go ahead and then let's say for example open it out with another Photos app, now you can see the text right here according to what I kept in preset, and this is what you have. And that is how you can utilize the export preset inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.